We had a pretty good rainfall on the 12th of June, Kevin, and we have just aerated the soil so that the plants and the soil can breathe easier and the roots can move freer in the plot. So we got pretty much water yesterday, which was good, but they want some more rain on Wednesday. So that'll be tomorrow. And we're walking over here to where your eggplants are to see how they're doing. Let's look at your garlic row. This is your garlic row. Kevin's garlic, number 6 row, Kevin. And we're going down here to look at Kevin's eggplants and the menagerie of other plants. His ghost peppers, and we got some flowers. Now we'll go to Kevin's one last plot over here and look at the fig trees and the persimmons and his flowers. We've aerated the soil so that it can breathe, and when we get rain, the water won't run off the plot. It'll absorb because of the aeration. So this is where we're at on June the 13th, 2023. The strawberries are being picked by the young people. Sorry about that. The strawberries are being picked by the young people, and they're having fun. All for Kevin and Sung. They are profiting from your efforts. That said, take heed and govern yourselves accordingly.